Hey everybody, Ken Liber, MK Home and Fitness. Today we're doing the Anabolic review from Greg Doucette's cookbook. Let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to put in here is 4 cups of egg whites, liquid egg whites. I'm using the Bob Evans egg white brand. Any brand will do. Alright, then I've got pre-measured 20 grams of cinnamon with 4 packets of stevia. Just dump it right in there. And I'm just going to whisk it until it's all thoroughly mixed. Now I tend to use stevia. I like the taste of it. You can use less or more. You can put none in, you can put 10 packets in. I figured for us, 4 is about the right amount of sweetness. Alright, once that's all mixed in, I put a little bit, this is also optional, I just put about 2 grams of pure almond extract in there for some extra flavor. Just mix it all through again. Alright, and once I got that, you start placing your bread in the pan. Just let it soak up as much as you possibly can. Flip it. It doesn't really matter how long you let it soak, just the longer, the more it's going to absorb into the bread. Pan, just a quick spray. 1 second. 1 second. And just transfer your bread over to the pan. Alright, so once you got that done, I just start my next one soaking. Now for bread, stuff that I found that I like best, it's this healthy lifestyle. This is a honey wheat. They have regular white bread. There's another potato bread, 35 calories per slice, 70 for 2. So that's what we've been using. I just like how low calories it is. Let's see, I'll keep that. All right, when it comes to cook time, you know, a minute or two on each side. I like mine not quite as cooked. Cooked, but not as well, not like brown or burnt. You can cook them more or less, just depending on your like. Once they're flipped, though, pretty much let them sit. I'll flip them one more time in a couple minutes, and we'll have our first batch of anabolic French toast. All right, after you flip them, make sure they're done the way you like them. And I'm making a larger batch so I can have them throughout the week. Just throw them in the Tupperware to cool off. Oh, look at that. Look at all that. Anabolic goodness. Going into here, you can see the rest of the 6 slices of bread soaked up all the egg whites and cinnamon while they were sitting there waiting. Alright, whatever you got left over, if any, just pour onto the top. Now when I make them for the week, I don't have as much left over to pour on the top as I normally would. And I know if for some strange reason Greg ever watches this video, he's going to complain that I didn't pour enough on. But normally I make a little bit more. If I were going to make them for the entire week, I would add more egg whites and continue on. However, I wanted to have an accurate calorie count for you guys. With actually, I had the recipe set for 14 pieces. This is going to be 13 because I just ran out of egg white. So once this is done, then I'll get all the calorie information for you guys per slice. All right, and there you have it. 13 individual slices of anabolic French toast. Non-blueberry anabolic French toast. I have put blueberries in these before. I know Greg loves his blueberries on there. These taste better to me, just my opinion. So I don't add blueberries any longer. But you can see, you just did it real simple. You just grab however many slices you want. As for a calorie breakdown, you've got 14. I had 14 slices of bread. I made 13 slices of bread. You've got 4 cups of egg whites at 500 calories. Stevia, 4 calories for 4 packets. Cinnamon, 50 calories for 20 grams. So per slice, that makes 80.3 calories per slice. So like I'm having 2 slices right now. It's 160.6 calories. I normally have 4 of these in the morning for breakfast. And you're talking at 4 of these anabolic French toasts, 321.2 calories. Now that's without the syrup. So the syrup, obviously, you can't have anabolic French toast without sugar-free Mrs. Buttersworth. Let's go. Let's try this. Now, I don't measure this per se. So it's 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. I usually just round up and say I just put 50 calories, which is probably only 20 calories on there, but I just say 50. As long as I'm over-exaggerating my calories, I know I'm always going to be in a deficit. So there you have it, our French toast. Time to eat. All right, now, real test. That is just fantastic. I mean, there's the fact that I have lost over 30 pounds in the last year, and that was just off of his free videos on YouTube. I had to buy his cookbook because, you know, I still pretty much only used the 5 that were free on there, but we did order new pasta. We've got a whole bunch of different things. I found a way to get Vitafiber from Vitafiber in a 55-pound barrel. Yeah, it's a fantastic way to eat. I mean, I never feel like I'm dieting. In fact, I feel like I eat like a slob half the time. I'm always full, but yet I'm still leaning out and losing weight. So it's just a fantastic way to eat. Yeah, we're gonna come at you with some more videos. I'm gonna do some homemade protein bars. what else? Our new pasta recipes, all kinds of low-calorie dense food recipes that you can't help but lose weight on. So that's it for today. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. And until next time, be safe and stay focused.